Yes, of course, we were trying to take our streak as far as we can, pero at some point talaga matatapos naman yung streak mo. At kahit na natalo kami, we're still in a good spot. No? We have 2 big games coming up next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you want to stay alive for maybe the top 2 rankings, we should be able to win those 2 games. So we have a big week coming up, pero the run was good when it lasted. I just felt na yung Phoenix kasi they will usually have a good start and have problems closing games, pero if you give them a good start, at some point may sasara din nila ng maayos yung laro. So I think that's the mistake, no? We didn't start out too well, and then they gained momentum and they stayed close to us. And when that happens, you'll usually be in trouble. Lesson pa rin din sa amin yun. We will take this game and break it down and learn all the lessons that we can learn from it, so that maybe we can be a little better on Tuesday and Thursday. Sa amin yun ang mga crucial games talaga, dahil tingin ko yung Converge game, Northport game, these are also the teams that are trying to get into the top seedings. So dito talaga yung labanan. I'm a little disappointed with our decision making doon sa end game namin. I felt na yung mismatch there were 2 mismatches that were created. Yung mismatch kay Andre at doon sa import. And the other mismatch that was created was our import against a local. Instead of attacking our mismatch, which could have been a higher percentage of opportunity for us, ang inatake namin yung yung lower percentage na mismatch. So I emphasize that to the guys na we come across another situation like that, we have to understand what the higher percentage play is and the lower percentage play is. Marami pang mangyayaring gano'n. So sa akin, leksyon lang again para sa mga bata.
Kailan si Felix?
Yun nga, kailan when yung aksidente nahulog siya nung last game namin, no? So we just don't want to aggravate it, but he's going to be able to play sa Tuesday. So we're just managing it, load managing. Si Felix naman, meron siyang inflammation sa Achilles niya. Again, we're trying to give him as much rest as we can so that he can also be fresh pagdating ng Tuesday and Thursday. Hindi naman siya serious. Hindi naman serious yun sa dalawa.
Kuchin mo yan?
Ano pa yun? Mga March pa yun. Baka hindi siya umabot dito.
Pero wala na yung cast niya sa practice.
Wala na. Nagte-therapy na lang siya. Thank you.